guys, welcome back to my channel one more time pa uno. Anyway, welcome back to my channel guys. Welcome back to Charms Lifestyle channel. Today I'm here with another video for you. Anyway, today I'm here with another video. Today my video will be a thank you video to all my editing motivators. Yes, so if you are one of my motivator when it comes to editing, you know that you will be mentioned in this video. But before I get in this video, for all of you who is watching me and have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel if you want to know more about me. And you can also follow me on Instagram at charms_lifestyle. My business page at Golden Charm Beauty Palace, and my daughter's business page at Djs Fashion District. No, but we'll go back in our video now. Yes guys, before I start the mention, I will lament a little on this. For all of you who have been following me from I started my channel, you will know that Charms Lifestyle could not edit. Charms Lifestyle knows nothing about editing. And that is one of the reasons why I do so much live streaming, because I can't edit. So I have to take the live streaming for it. But now I am doing a little editing, and I think that I owe this to all my motivators by telling them a big thank you. Don't you think so, guys? If you think so, let me know. I think I owe this to them, because without them it could not be possible. And all my editors, I have a story behind it, but I will not go in the story. Okay? So my first person is Dana and Dre channel. I will put their link, all my motivators, I will put their link in the description box, and I will display their channel on the screen. So Dre and Dana, that's my little niece. When I just began my YouTube channel, she was the one who did my intro. She was the one who would do all my early editing for me until then. Because she was going to school then, she didn't have the time, and we were on different timing, because I had to send those videos when I do them to her in Jamaica, and she edit them and she send them back to me. So my second person on my list is Sassy Jay. Sassy Jay, yes, Sassy Jay also was one of my editor, and she edits for me. Even if it is one video, it doesn't matter. I really appreciate it. So Sassy Jay is another, and I have Djs Family TV. Who I don't know if all of you know that Djs Family TV. She is my daughter, but she also did a little editing for me too. She is not active at the moment, but I will still display her channel. And my next person will be Cdetv. Yes, Cdetv, guys. That same CDE what you know. Yes, I am same one me I talk about. Cdetv, right? And my great editor now, my editor, when me say my biggest motivator, I bet you no could tell me who, or I guess and tell me who. Any owner tell me. You can't tell, you can't guess that who, you don't know that who. Guess who. Moyama, French, Jamaican family, yes. I'm editing, hey. She edits straight for me until the day when she visit me at my house. She sit down beside me in my chair and she take me through the editing step. Moyama, French, Jamaican family. Yes. She take me through the editing step there. And she met me for that edit today. And when me start the process and get stuck, me just call her phone people. Yeah, and she dead upon target and upon time. Like she's done and wait for my call. Moyama, French, Jamaican family. And the last but not least, I bet you don't could tell me that who again. You don't want to tell me who that? Love Ice TV, aka Love Dr. TV. When you talk about the thumbnail, them want to see me and make. Guess who do that? Love Ice TV. Hey, nobody call me again, nobody call my phone again. I'm tired of telling the same thing over and over. I love Ice TV. I tell me them something there, you know, people. Yes. And she take me through the thumbnail step. Love Ice TV. Yeah, you see all them pretty thumbnail there. Then here what she got said to me now. When girls see me put out my thumbnail, then you don't know what girl I said. Oh, she think I smart them, I beg make them for me. You know, so she out of order. She don't give me no ratings. Anyway, guys, yes. And all these people, I will display their links. And guys, if all of you know, if you know where Charms lifestyle I come from, to where me reach, I must say, Charms lifestyle, I am very proud of myself to where I am coming from. Not knowing nothing, not knowing, me not know nothing about YouTube, guys. But could you even upload one video? Yeah, I'm looking at step through them step there. Believe me. And look at me now. Mommy Charms. Pretty on any side. Viral queen. Yes. So here we I have a few me have a motivational speech to make. You see, all of you who do a channel and can do this, it is no shame. Yes, there is somebody who take on through the step. Can't you see me will take on through the step too, you know, because of somebody helped me. Somebody helped me through that step here. So me will take uno through the step too. And let me tell you, believe in yourself, everything what you do. Just believe in yourself and tell yourself that you can do it. And once you work towards it, it will happen. So guys, not because you can't do it, don't give up, because me never give up. Me take live streaming feet until today day, me can edit. I wonder if you notice that even live streaming me not do again. Because guess what, guys? I want to outrun the live streaming with videos now. Since I can now do my editing, I want to have more videos on my channel instead of live streaming. So that is one of the reasons why I I'm not doing much live streaming now. But not saying that I stop. No, I don't stop. I will still give you a live stream now and then, but it will not be continuous as before. Okay? So guys, tell me now. Wanna tell me. I want to tell me what you think. I want to tell me everything what you think about that video here. Right? And tell me, I want to go over and look for my video them when I edit. I want to look for my thumbnail them, and I want to give me a feedback. Because I'm still a learning. I'm not a great editor, I know. I learn, a learning process me inner. Yes? So tell me what you think, guys. And remember, if you guys are watching me and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. So guys, for now, Charms Lifestyle is out, and thank you for watching. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Love you.